Good morning, students. In last period, we see multiplication properties. First property is commutative property. Second one is associative property. Third one is multiplication by 0. And fourth one is multiplication with 1. Next, we learned about the multiplication squares. Next, multiplication by a 2-digit multiplier. Multiplication by a 2-digit multiplier. Multiplication by a 2-digit multiplier. First, we see example of this type. First example is multiply 3,428 and 42. This multiplication is also done in the same sense as we multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Then solution of this is solution is 10,000, 1,000, 100. Their place values 3,428 multiplied by 42. Multiplied by 42. This is multiplication this is multiplied. Then firstly multiplication 13 from one's place. Here firstly multiply 2 to multiplication 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 60, carry 1 to the tens place, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, next up 2 3s are 6, 6 are 1,856. Nextly multiply tens place digit, then taking ones place digit as 0. Next we multiply by 4 to the multiplication. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Carry 3 to the tens place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Again carry 1 to the hundreds place. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Again carry 1 to the thousands place. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Then addition of these two products is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1,43,976. This is final answer. Next, second example is solve exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. We solve some examples of this exercise. First example is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. This number is 4,946 multiplied by 36. Then multiplication starting firstly multiply with ones place digit by multiplication. This is multiplication. Second one is multiply. Second one is multiply. Count the table of 6, 6 1 are 6, 6 6 are 36. Add 3, carry 3 to the tens place. 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. Carry 2 to the hundreds place. 6 9 are 56, 56 plus 2 is 58. Carry 5 to the thousands place. 6 4 are 24 plus 5 is 29. Again multiply with 10, multiply 10 place, that is 3 by multiplication. 10 ones place digit as a 0. 3 6 are 18. Carry 1 to the tens place. 3 4 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 30. Again carry 1 to the hundreds place. 3 9 are 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. Carry 2 to the thousands place. 3 4 are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Addition of these two products is 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry 1. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1 is 12. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Again carry 1. 2 plus 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. Again 1,78,256. Next we see second example of exercise 4.3. Seven eight three one multiply with 29. Firstly, this is multiplication. This is multiplier. This is multiplier. Then multiplication starting from multiplier is at ones place. Multiply with multiplication. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. Carry 2 to the tens hundreds place. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. Carry 7 to the thousands place. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 7 is 70. Plus next multiplication starts multiply with tens place, that is 2. Then write ones place digit as a 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 8s are 16. Carry 1 to the thousands place digit. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 is 15. Addition is 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2,27,099. This is multiplication. Next one is multiplication with 3-digit number. Multiplication by 3-digit. Multiplication by 3-digit number. Then see one example of this type. Example 1. Multiply 3 362 by and 157. 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens and ones. 362 multiply with 157. Then this is multiplication. This is multiplier. This is multiply. Then first multiply with ones place multiplication starting from ones place digit. 7 2s are 40. Carry 1 to the tens place. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. Carry 4 to the hundreds place. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Plus multiplication starting from tens place digit. Then take 0 at ones place. 5 2s are 10. Carry 1. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Carry 3 to the hundreds place. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18. Plus next multiplication starting from hundreds place digit. Then take ones place and tens place at 0. 1s 2s are 2. 1 1 6 are 6. 1 3s are 3. Then 4 3 as it is. 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. 56,834. This is final answer. Next, see second example. Second example is multiply 3,850 and 230. Then 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens and ones. 3,850 multiply with 230. First multiplication starting from ones place. Multiply 0 with multiplication 0 0 0 0. 0 is multiplied with any number. Product is always 0. Next multiplication starting from tens place. Multiplication starting from tens place. Take ones place as a 0. Then 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Carry 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Plus again next multiplication starting from hundreds place digit. Then 2 zeros are then ones place and tens place taking 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 is 17. Again carry 1. 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Then addition of these three products is 0, 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 7 is 8, 1 plus 7 is 8. 8,85,500. This is final product with multiplication by a 3-digit multiplier. Next, third example is our third example. Multiply 632 by multiply 632 and 204. Third example of this type. Multiply 632 and 204. Then write their place value 10,000, 100, tens and ones. Multiplication is 632 multiplied with 204. Multiplication starting from ones column. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 is 25. Next, multiplication starting from tens place, then take 0 at ones place. 0 is multiplied with any number. Multiplication is at tens place 0 is given. Then 0 is multiplied with any number. Multiplication is 0. Then secondly, multiplication starting from hundreds place. Then take tens place and ones place as 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Addition of these three is 8 as it is, 2 as it is, 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 6 is 8, 2 as it is and 1 as it is. 1,28,928. This is final answer. Next one is exercise 4.4. We will solve this exercise in homework. Next, last point of this topic, estimating the product. When we need an approximate answer, then we use product estimation, or when we round up the multiplication and multiplier to their greatest place to get estimated product. When we need an approximate answer, then we use product estimation, or then first example is find estimated product of 28 and 38. Example first is find estimated product of 28 and 38. Find estimated product of 28 and 38. Solution is round up the numbers to the nearest tens. Round off numbers to nearest tens. And round up number is 28. round out to nearest to 10 tens 10. Consider ones place digit. In ones place 8 is given. Then rule first say that if number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then take ones place digit is 0 and add 1 to the tens place. Then we get estimated round up number is, take ones place at 0 and add 1 to the tens place, that is 2 plus 1 is 33. That is 30. 30 is round up number of 28. Then round up number of 38 is 8 is in round up number to nearest tens, that is consider a ones place digit. In ones place 8 is given. Then number is greater than 5. Then take 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place, that is 3 plus 1 is 40. This is estimated. Then actual product of these two numbers is actual product 28 multiplied with 38, product is 1064 and estimated product is, we have to find estimated number. Then estimated product is 30 multiplied with 40, we give 4 3s are 12, 0, 0, 1200 is estimated product. This is estimating product. Second example is find estimated product of 179 and 321. The solution is round of numbers to nearest hundreds. Okay. First number is 179. Then round up number of this is consider to find number round up number to nearest 100. Consider tens place digit. In tens place 7 is given, that is number is greater than 5. Then we take tens place and ones place digit is 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. The estimated round up number is 200. Then next one is second number is 321. Then consider tens place digit 2. The number is less than 5. That is take ones place and tens place digit as 0 and hundreds place digit does not change, that is as it is 300. Round of number is 300. Then first is that actual product. Actual product 179 multiplied with 321, multiplication is 57,459 and estimated product is 200 multiplied with 300, that is 60,000. This is estimated product. In similar way, solve exercise 4.5 estimate actual product and estimated product. Here we finish our fourth chapter multiplication. In next period we starting from our fifth chapter division. Okay, thank you.